fellas. So this is day 1 of 3 at Lucinda. Look at that. I don't have one mark here. We just come out to 70 meters of water, turned the engines off, ate some bacon egg rolls, tied some knots, and we drifted over a bit of ground. So I said, quick Dad, drop. No one else had lines in the water, and he just did that. Dad and Kai for the trip here. We got 3 days together. Hopefully we see lots more of that. That was first drop, not one mark here, and that's pretty cool. Hopefully the rest of the trip's the same, but we'll keep you posted. Well, after that red, we jumped a couple of rocks and there was ground everywhere, but got a little bit slow, about to have change of the tide, and we've come out to chase dogs. Come to the pound. Anyway, I've got Kai here with me. He's just rigging up. I just tied my knot. You ready? Are you ready?
Born ready, mate.
I'll just give you a little look at the sounder here. Just a little look. Without no sharing. Wow. That is pretty cool. If anyone was chasing dogs, I think that would get them excited. Anyway, we're about to have a drop and...
Move up, Luke.
Yep. No.
Missed it.
I think I got snipped, eh? No. I think I got snipped, man. Oh, they're on. What have I got? Yep.
Oh.
What have I got? He hit me that high up.
He's running out.
Is that a little dog? Or a mackerel? Oh, big Spanish. Big Spanish. Watch out, watch out. Under me. Just skull dragged in.
Just let me grab the bar. Grab that guy.
Oh. Big Spano. Lucky he didn't snip me. Have you got the one we're after? Lift and wind. Here it is.
It's just straight down.
We've got colour. Brown, man. Is that a trout? Kai, is that a trout? That's a big trout, man. Holy.
Hey. You want a trout?
Bros.
Well done, mate.
Good work.
You look.
Have a look at that trout he just got. That's epic.
Holy.
That is sick.
Pump and wine.
Look at how thick that is. Pretty stoked with that, bros.
Awesome. Haven't got a big one like this yet.
That's mental. You can catch anything jigging for dogs, just got a Spanish and a trout the first drop. I mean, the sounder's pretty lit. We're gonna have to get something good. Well done.
Awesome.
Wind, lift and wind.
Oh no.
Lift and wind. Lift and wind. Go, bros. Lift and wind. Go. It hit you so high, you'll be right. Go, Kai. Up.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's him. That's him. He's here. What do you got?
What is it?
A snapper. No, it's an iron jaw. That's what you wanted. Definitely no dog. And that just ruined him. That's a good fish, bud. He did say he wanted an iron jaw, and he got one. We're jigging for dogs. I think a doggie's definitely going to go harder than that.
Man,
I mean,
they are tanks, eh?
I mean, if you're that buggered and you want a dog, can't wait to see it. He hit him so high off the bottom, beat the sharks, and got him in the boat. That's so cool. So most of the morning we've been chasing dogs. The sounder looked incredible. Like anyone, you would have thought you would have hooked up straight away, but we didn't. That's fishing. But we've just come back into that like 60, 70 meters of water. Just come across this bit of ground. Seems to just keep continuing. And I caught it trevally, but don't worry about that bit of mayhem with Kai. But have a look at the size of that cattle dog cod Dad just caught. That thing, is that pregnant or what? That thing is so cool. It was fully blue when he was bringing it up. That's massive. Not bad, Kai.
Good size.
Big tangles with everyone. Yep, got him. Good eat. That's a good fish, man.
Very good.
That is a good fish. Feels like a trevally. No, don't say that. Nah, dunno. Yep, surely not.
Great king over here, but
No, don't say that. We don't want to trev. It's a, what is that, a red, man?
it is red.
No way. It's a red.
It is a
It's a good red.
red.
Look at that. That thing just smashed the haymaker. Did he get sharked?
Hey,
It's like he got sharked.
something's
Look
not
at
good.
that.
No golden.
Smashed the jig. Couldn't resist it. Sick.
Yeah, no. Look at something had a go at it.
Yeah, look at his.
Oh, it did too.
I was saying it was a bit slow and we come back into that 60 meters. Just went over that bit of a shoal and nothing more rewarding than a red on the jig. I'm stoked with that. How cool is that? Such a cool fish. Gonna do another couple of drifts over that shoal, but like, that is what I come here for. I'm happy with that.
Fish.
Oh yeah, good fish. Come on, come on. Oh, round the motor.
Good.
Good fish. I could say trevally like again, but the last time it was a red, so. Not bad. Come on. We need you. Come to the boat. Come to the boat. Be mint if it was a red.
Don't have really good kicks on it.
It's got a bit of weight about him.
Ready?
Don't think so. It'd be sick if it was a red. Last hour of power. Come on. What do we got? It's red. It's red. Look at that. For a red. On the jig. Mint.
Well done.
Good, Russ.
Second one. Second red on the jig today. They are loving these butterballs. 165 grams. That's a good fish.
Alright.
Bit of a high five.
Yep.
That is rewarding. That's the second red today on the jig. Now, like, people can use bait. Dad used bait next to me the other day and caught like 6 reds to my 1. So like 2 today on the jig. That is so cool. I'm stoked with that. We've still got 2 more days here, still got an hour of light. We're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna send another jig down, and man, if I get another one of these today on the jig. Yep, good fish. Good fish, Kai.
Yes, finally.
Do not drop that. Not bad. Could be that red you're after.
Just off the bottom.
Good fish. He's coming up. You want that red bad, eh?
Oh mate, I've been banging for it. I need a Chris in your boat.
He hasn't caught a red in the boat yet. He's seen many. Seen a few, hasn't caught one. What do you reckon? I reckon it could be.
I reckon it is.
He's got a couple. He's got a couple of us. He is, Kai.
Yay.
He did it. Mate. That's
done.
3 red. Oh,
Yeah, we don't. Hang on.
you christened the boat, mate, with your red.
How good's this?
Hold him up. You got him? Look at that. Mate,
Stoked.
stoked with that one. 3 to 1. That doesn't usually happen. We're going pretty good against him. That's awesome. Well done, mate.
Tail.
Yeah, have a go at that. Shark and his baby.
No. It's
No, it looks.
grown back.
Yeah.
Look out.
Sick. Well done, man. Yep. He just chased me, man. Got him. Got him. Good fish. Oh, no. Pulled. Oh, he's back. He's back. He just ate it. Oh, definitely not like the first fish. I don't even know what this is. It's tiny. That first one was good. Maybe it's a trout that come out and got angry or something. What have we got? What have we got? Where is it? What is it? That's a nice trout.
That is a very good trout.
Come out and got angry about the fish I dropped, and I've pulled him up.
That's a good troutie.
That's a good little trout. Tastiest fish. That's perfect. Nice trout. That is a nice little trout. This afternoon bite with that sun going down just seems to be getting better and better. Check out the colours on him. Oi, that fitting's still leaking, Dad. Oh, yep. Did you see that kite come off the bottom? I know you do. If this is a red, we are finishing on this. We haven't dealt with a shark. We haven't had any dramas today. Everything's been good. No dogs. Afternoon bite has been on. Come on, fellas. Wow. Kai, what do you reckon?
I'm saying no tail kick.
Nah, I'm gonna say
No
red.
shakes, I'm
Yeah. No Chinamen today.
Yeah, that's good.
They must not live here. Come on. Oh, Dad's on. Good fish. Good fish.
Very good.
No Chinaman today. What's the difference here? Here it is, it's red. It is. You're kidding. No way. How sick is that? Fellas, we have done a good job today. Come on. Dad's bending. Red. On the jig again. At Haymaker. Third red today. That doesn't happen often. To the Beto over here. Just as the sun's going down. No sharks.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. No Chinaman. Unbelievable.
Can't go any faster.
Here it is.
Red.
Good fish.
Red.
That's a good fish.
Good red.
That's a good fish. He has sat in this corner for the last 3 hours with no bites. And he's just done that. We'll lay him together.
Yeah!
Fellas,
Oh, ripper.
no problem. Well, that is a nice pair of reds. We're pretty happy with that. Just in 70 meters of water still. Sun's going down behind us. And I think we're gonna finish on that. We have had an awesome afternoon. No sharks, no Chinamen all day. And the bite this afternoon has been incredible. We're fishing the full moon. We're fishing the new moon, sorry, with a run-in tide. And these fish, with the sun going down, just always seem to bite. But we're staying somewhere where I've never been before, so we want to go make our way in. Maybe put the drone up to see where we're going to anchor for the night. And we'll come back tomorrow and do it all again. But that there, we're going to bed happy. That's big.
He's got a 36.
I just lost a big one. Have a look at the conditions. Sun going down, reds are chewing. I'm still rattled about the one I just lost, but if he can make up for it, I'm happy. Kai just got whacked. Oh my god, look at...
Just 4 minutes. That's we're in red country there.
So I'll just give you a little look on the sounder. That's what we've been fishing for about 2 kilometers. Just drifting a big shoal with lumps and bumps.
No sharks.
With no sharks, which is surprises everyone. No Chinas.
The fishing you love and want.
You right?
Yeah, mate. It's coming.
You sleep well.
Oh yeah.
You won't last 3 days.
Here he is. He's a red.
That's a good red, man. That's a good red. That is a great fish.
Oh my god.
You're kidding me. Wow. High fives all round. Well, they both said, can we please have one more drop? And look at that, Kai was about to hook up, but that's a good like 8 kilo fish. That is awesome. We have had such a good day staying over that way, and I think it's time that we leave. Go and have a nice, we've got some chicken rolls in the pie oven. They're warming up and we get to do this all again tomorrow, which is pretty special. So